Have you ever felt like understanding English idioms is a real challenge? Today, we're going to tackle one of the most common ones, a piece of cake. Mastering this idiom can go a long way in improving your communication skills. Let's start with a funny story. Imagine a new student named Alex who hears the phrase "a piece of cake" for the first time. Alex thinks, "Wow, I love cake. This must be an easy task." So, when the teacher asks Alex to solve a complex math problem, he confidently replies, "No problem. This will be a piece of cake." But to Alex's surprise, the teacher looks puzzled. You see, a piece of cake doesn't actually mean the task is as easy as eating cake. It's an idiom that means something is very easy or simple to do. Let's look at some examples to see how a piece of cake is used in different contexts. In a casual conversation, acing that exam was a piece of cake. In a formal setting, preparing the quarterly report was a piece of cake for our experienced team. In a negative context, don't think this project will be a piece of cake, it's going to be a real challenge. In a humorous context, winning the lottery? Yeah, right, that would be a piece of cake for me. In a literary context, the hero's quest seemed like a piece of cake, but little did he know the challenges that lay ahead. In a business setting, implementing the new software system was a piece of cake, thanks to our tech-savvy team. On social media, baking this cake recipe was a piece of cake, it turned out amazing. To help you remember the meaning of a piece of cake, think of a delicious slice of cake that's easy to eat. The idiom suggests the task is as simple and effortless as enjoying that slice of cake. Now, let's dive into some fun facts about this idiom. The idiom "a piece of cake" is believed to have originated in the 1930s, becoming popular as a way to describe something very easy. The idiom highlights the perceived simplicity of a task, comparing it to the ease of eating a piece of cake. Similar expressions include cakewalk and walk in the park, both meaning something very easy. Here are some idioms and phrases that are similar to or opposite of a piece of cake. Similar, a cakewalk, a walk in the park, easy as pie. Opposite, an uphill battle, a tough nut to crack, a hard row to hoe. Related, a breeze, a cinch, a snap. Let's try rephrasing a piece of cake in a different way. Passing the exam was incredibly easy for me. In this case, the meaning remains the same, but the idiom adds a more casual and conversational tone. Here's a real-life story that shows how using a piece of cake can be effective. My friend, Sarah, was nervous about giving a presentation at her office. But when the day came, she confidently told her coworkers, "Presenting this project will be a piece of cake." Her use of the idiom helped ease the tension and showed her colleagues that she was well prepared and in control. Let's address some common mistakes and how to avoid them. Grammatical mistake: this task is a piece of cakes. The correct form is a piece of cake, singular. Meaning misunderstanding: some learners think a piece of cake means the task is literally as delicious as a slice of cake. Remember, it's a figurative expression. Inappropriate context: using a piece of cake to describe a highly challenging task would be inappropriate. The idiom is best used for easy or simple tasks. Now, let's test your understanding with a few questions. 1. What does the idiom "a piece of cake" mean? A. The task is as delicious as a slice of cake. B. The task is very easy to accomplish. C. The task involves actually eating a piece of cake. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of these expressions is synonymous with a piece of cake? A. An uphill battle. B. A cakewalk. C. A tough nut to crack. Correct answer, B. 3. Which of these expressions is opposite in meaning to a piece of cake? A. A breeze. B. A cinch. C. An uphill battle. Correct answer, C. In summary, a piece of cake is a common English idiom that means a task is very easy or simple to accomplish. We've explored its meaning, usage, and cultural significance, as well as how to avoid common mistakes. Now, I encourage you to start using a piece of cake in your everyday conversations and see how it can improve your communication skills. Your turn. Share your own experiences with using a piece of cake in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more idiom lessons to come.